What's up, everybody? It's Chris from Refined Frags. Thank you for joining my channel. Really do appreciate it. Today I'm doing a random unboxing video. I have collected many fragrances from many different places, and I'm just gonna go ahead and just open up a few of them. I got 6 right in front of me. No particular order. Here we go. First one is gonna be John Varvatos, Nick Jonas, and this is, I believe, the crimson version. It's red up top here, and it's darker black down here on the bottom. Here's the bottle. Man, that is a gorgeous bottle. Look at that. It's pretty. Yeah. Anyways, let's see what it smells like. Let's see if the smell does some justice. Let it dry down. This is good. Sweet. It's got like this herbally fougere, which means like plant-like vibe about it. Youthful. I like it. Okay, up next, Sean John, Unforgivable. Oh, that's a nice looking bottle. All right, let's give it a spray. Let's see what it smells like. Let it dry down. Watermelon. It's juicy. This is a juicy fragrance. All right, that's enough of that. All right, I like it. Next one, Lacoste Noir Intense. I can't get the cap off. Okay, there we go. Nice looking bottle, real sporty. Let's see what it smells like. Ooh, this is a handsome fragrance. Wow, this is nice. It's sporty, fresh, fruity. It's got a deep note in there. I'm not sure what it is. It might be patchouli. Oh, this is good. This is actually great. So, I like this. This nice. Okay. Up next, Guess Seductive Home Noir. Now, I smelled the female version of Noir. My wife has it. Oh, it smells so good. Let's see if this one does. This is one strange looking. It's ugly, but let's see what that juice smell like. Oh, berries, juicy, nighttime, bubble gum, grape gum flavored kind of smell to it. It's like grapes and fruits, and that's good too. Yes, that's another good one. All right, up next, Montblanc Presence. Old school, a little stylish. Let's see what the juice smells like. I have a feeling this is going to be strong. This is handsome as well. This is masculine. This is a man's man scent. It smells like it's got a little bit of licorice, a little bit of citrus, a little bit of herbs. This is good. This is like business suit fragrance right here. Excellent. Last but not least, Ancre Noir Extreme Pour by Lalique. I've been wanting to open this for a long time. That's some strong plastic. Oh, I'm excited about this one. Yes. Yeah. I hear so many good things about this fragrance. Look at that bottle, man. Wow. Look at that. That's nice. It's real nice. All right. Let's see if this is worth all the hype. Yes. Yes. Mm-hmm. Yeah. That is amazing. It smells like, I done lost the paper where I put it. It smells like sitting in the middle of the woods. And you got this big gigantic tree right next to you, and it's got moss on the side. And it doesn't smell off, it just smells fresh. Like you're in the middle of nature. Very woody. I smell vetiver. Wow. This is amazing. This is a great fragrance. Encre Noir Extreme. Blown away. Glad I bought it. Well, that completes this video. I really had fun. If you guys own any of these fragrances, please leave a comment below and let me know what you think about them. If you had a good experience with them, if you think they were terrible, let me know. And until next time, everybody stay blessed. And if you smell good, you feel good.